Oh no! Bruce Strong! Sorry! You can show what you want. There's no point. We could do it all together. This is why, and I'm doing this. Be fast, be first. I'm going to this to win. Whoa! Ah! Wah! Wah! Cuckoo! Cuckoo! Oma! Are you okay? Yuppie! Yeah! Ow! Are you okay, Marty? This one. Okay. Let me. Trolls 2 World Tour. Put the DVD in. Okay. You guys ready? Okay. Are you ready? You don't have to be scared. I'm here. Over here. Yes, over here. I like that DVD, but we have to wait. Universal, the Comcast company. The world and it the globe, and quite with the sun, and tyrannical load. Then the Universal hits the globe, and the term Universal, the Comcast company. Good reading. Which one? This one. Yes. Dancing. Disco. Louis going Westival in Westgate School tomorrow. Wow. Clothes. Look at that. Branch is look diamond. That's June the troll. Hello, June. June, I love it without June. Diamond troll named June. But June, focus. Play the movie. Okay. This one. Yeah. What's your name? Look at that. Charlotte, the puppy named Charlotte Troll. Hey, Charlotte. Good morning, Charlotte. Hey, Charlotte.